with the just egg mixed into it ready. With the cinnamon and the baking soda and butter at room temperature and molasses and sugar and flour and eggs. It has the just egg mixed into it as well a little bit, so it looks a little weird, but because I was missing 2 eggs, I had to substitute. Okay. Are you laughing at me for having to substitute?
No.
So I just mix all the dry ingredients.
And what are these that you're mixing together?
The sugar, the flour, and the cinnamon and baking soda.
Okay.
Make sure there's no little nuts in here. Can you see it?
Yep.
The dry ingredients are done. Make sure and the molasses together. Just take a little bit. This is the room temperature butter. I learned the hard way that you can't just soften in the microwave. You have to actually let it sit in room temperature when it comes to baking. Not so making sure all the butter is mashed into this mixture. Okay, this is what will help. It's going to become a really soft consistency. I want you to pause for a second and show you my.
You can't see
Just
it
do-
through
just
the
do
shirt.
this.
You can't. Yeah.
Okay. Do it anyway.
It's not gonna show anything.
What's he using? Yeah. That bump right there. Santa's muscles. There we go. That's the consistency we're starting to look for. Thank you. Cannot do this without you. Okay, this looks good.
You sure?
Yeah, now we can mix it in that.
Okay.
You want me to do it? Looks about right. Ooh, heavy. Ooh, heavy. Okay, interesting. Ooh, okay. Here. Let's just do a little measurement. Enough?
That should be.
I don't want to overdo what the room looked last time.
I got you.
So that's the only thing I'm afraid of. Some better. I already oiled it all around. I'm gonna take a little bit of flour and just sprinkle flour all around to make sure the cake doesn't get stuck to the pan when it's ready to come out. This was a little bit of a struggle last time because you were calling me at the same time and I was trying to pour this in the cake.
Really?
Pan. You're like, what are you doing? I was like, I'm busy making cake. Okay, now I'm going to try to get as much of this batter out as I can because I don't want to waste it.
You got it sitting in you.
Oh. Okay.
So what do you do here? Do you mix it anymore, or?
It's already mixed, so now I just need to spread it. Just make sure it's compact and there's no air bubbles left because it's a Christmas fruit cake. You don't want air bubbles in it. I'm just compressing it as much as I can. Looks good. What do you think? Compressed enough?
Yeah.
I don't know if I could pack it any more than this. It's the best part of baking. Don't record this!
Okay.
The oven is preheated to 250 and now it will sit there for Go one. It needs to cool down more.